Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-54033 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I already logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the queries. Okay, so here I am creating one table called marks, which contains serial number, max, physics columns, and total column. So total column is the sum of max plus physics. Okay, so total column is a virtual column. Okay, table is created successfully. Now what I am going to do, I am going to alter the table. So alter table marks, modify max. So I am modifying the max columns data type from number to varchar 2. Okay. ORA-54033 column to be modified is used in a virtual column expression. So see here, this max column which I am going to modify its data type was referred by virtual column called total. So which is not allowed. So I am modifying some other column which is not in virtual columns expression. So now you can see that alter table query is corrected and executed successfully. So this is the fix for ORA 54033.